Welcome to day 5 of 120 days profitability challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. How possible is this going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey, the ups and downs, the challenges, right here on this YouTube channel. So if you want to become part of this journey and get yourself updated, kindly subscribe to this channel and be part of this journey. Today being day 5, there are a few things we need to talk about. However, before I jump into that part of this video, I want to take this moment to address this thing before we move on. You will realize that I have not uploaded any content regarding day 4, and now we are in day 5. That is simply because on day 4, I have not done any work. I have not studied anything. Due to the fact that I had an emergency call that made me very busy throughout the whole day, and I couldn't even on my computer. So literally, I have not done any work. And honestly, since I have not done any work, I cannot come here online and post anything telling you that I have learned. Meanwhile, I have not learned anything. That would be like me telling you lies, me deceiving you. And I wouldn't like anything like that in this journey that we are on. I want every aspect of this journey to be as transparent as possible, to be very authentic one, so that somebody can also learn something from it. Okay, so I think you probably pardon me for day 4 not being able to give out any content, and I hope you do understand the whole reason behind it now. All right, so having said that, let's delve into today's lesson. Today's day 5, and we are still learning about retail liquidity. And to be specific, today's topic is why retail liquidity is needed to become a successful forex trader. That is what today's lesson is about. So I'll probably take you on a chart and show you a few other things over there. Then we call it a day. And I hope you are ready for that, right? All right, so still on the retail liquidity concept, these are obvious points where we have support and resistance, trend line, and these chart patterns. Mostly we have orders being packed over there, and these orders, like I said earlier in a previous video, these orders are money. So let's quickly have a look at some basic illustrations on a chart right here. So if we take this chart, this is Euro USD charts right here. Now if we take this chart and you are someone who kind of follow the trend, right, and you draw a trend line, let's say from here. Okay. All right. Let's say this is your trend line. All right. If this is your trend line and price comes to this point, then you see that, oh, this is a time for me to buy. Then you buy. You see price went up. It came down, went up again. And price came down here, all right, to your trend line area and went up. But what happened over here? Price came here and all price could do was to break this trend line and come down. So assuming you are just here, all right, you are here and you don't know that price will even break this trend line, then as soon as you see price touching the trend line, then you immediately buy. That means, let me just put it this, that means you are likely to lose money because price has not even closed before you place your trade, and that is going to hurt you in the long run, right? That's a typical example. Let's check through the chart if you can see some other examples of this retail liquidity stuff, right? I think I have some examples right here. Let me check it out. Good. This is one perfect example of support and resistance that's quote unquote retail traders use. Listen guys, I'm using retail traders to depict a typical price action. So if that kind of offends you, just forgive me, because literally I'm also a retail trader. Since I don't have direct access to the market, I'm a retail trader as well. So I'm just using that to, I don't know how to put it, but I hope you do understand. Yeah, I hope you do understand. I'm just using to depict a typical price action, right? So you could see there's a resistance right here. Okay, price came here, it came here, then it dropped, came here, it dropped and went up again. Over here, it dropped. Now, if you are a typical retail trader and you are watching this on your chart, this is 1 hour time frame actually. So if you are watching this on a lower time frame, you will tell yourself that, oh, price respected this zone like 3 times already. So when it comes again, I'm definitely going to make a sell. All right. Then boom, price came here. It gave you a sell, a nice sell actually from here to here. Let me see how many pips that is going to be. Okay. From here to, let's say, this place, that's going to be 45 pips. That's also a good sum of money that you can make from this movement right over here. But what's happened again on the next touch to this same resistance level? Price immediately broke above it. Now, my reason for studying all this stuff, studying about this SMC and ICT combined, is to find out why price has to break this point, and price did not just come to the resistance level and move all the way down here. My concern is that where price didn't come to this direction, but rather break above and go straight up. That is my concern. So I believe with the concept that I'm learning right here, the SMC and ICT combined, I believe I'm going to find a reason behind these movements on a chart. And if I find that reason, that means it will definitely help me to know when I should take a trade and when I should not take a trade. And just like any other concept or strategy out there, it may not be 100%, okay, but I think it's going to help in the long run on this 120-day trading journey. Now, this is another typical example, a trend line used as a resistance. So first touch over here, price came down, and what can you see over here? Another touch, price came down. Then what happened over here? On a third touch, price broke above this trend line, went up, came down, and it did not even come to the trend line that we can say it's like a break and retest. No, it did not even come up to that point. Then all of a sudden, price started moving up. Okay, I hope you can see price movement right here. How price just started moving up to this point, right? That is how, or that is one thing I want you to take note. My concern is what's happened over here. What is the cause over here that price didn't actually respect this zone over here, but price has to just move up at once like that. That is my concern. So hopefully I'm going to find some backing, some evidence or some lessons to back this, to let me know why price couldn't actually hit here and return back, but price broke above it and up it goes. So that is it, and that's going to be for this video, and I hope you do learn something from it. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Godsway Amuzu, and I'm on a journey to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. So to become part of this journey, I would like you to hit that subscribe button on the video right now and follow me on this journey. Let's see how everything is going to unfold with time, if this is really going to be possible. I don't know. It's a journey, and let's see how it's going to go. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.